Today on the channel, we're out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, and we are going to hang some doors up, and we got some of the inner and outer rocker panels done. So, well, they're tack welded, but we're going to put the doors on and fit this up. So we'll be right back. Captain? Yep. Just tell me to top up or down. All right, everybody, what we're trying to do here is we're going to get the doors all hung up on this because Jeff's already got the inner and outer rockers along with the cap corners tack welded in there. And what we're doing now is fitting for the door alignment to see where we need to finish welding on the inner and outer rockers. What do you need to do? Come up with it. Good there. Just a little problem there. Yeah, we're getting tight up front. And here up. I'm going to come down with that rocker. That's not down at all. It goes. Okay, what we're doing now is we're putting the striker piece back on the door here so we can see where the door lines up. And I'm going to show you where the rocker lines up with the door. It's a little bit off, so once we get this all in there, then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and what we're looking at underneath as far as the door levelness and the gap in there. I don't know if you guys can see the gap here and how it's starting to get tight right in here, so we need to drop this rocker down just a little bit more to level this up here. As you can see, the gap down here is a little bit bigger. And as we get a little bit closer, I'll show you a little bit better view of that. Should be like that. Clamp it, I want to pull itself in. What do we got going on here, guys? As you can see right there on the corner of the door is coming real close to this lower rocker, this outer rocker. And then what we need to do is push this down. So what we're going to do is get a ratchet strap and suck this all under so then we could finish tack welding all of this up here. As you can see, there's the weld Jeff did. And well, we won't talk about who did that one. But then I'm going to be going down through and putting all the holes in here. Just said about 15 holes across the top and across the bottom, and then so we could do the tack welding. But overall, as what we did there with the welding, you can see right here is where the problem was, where this was real tight, and we're trying to get a nice even gap across through here. And so what we need to do is just pull this down just a little bit. So we're going to get a ratchet strap on some of these, pull this over, and then do some little bit more welding. We won't get into who welded that, but while Jeff was out to lunch, his apprentice did some welding on here, so I guess now the apprentice has got to fix it. The apprentice two's got to fix it. I need some power. Let's get the legend's approval. Get in here, legend.
You did all right for an amateur. Play a hammer. Knock, knock.
Now that Jeff's got this side all welded up and strapped up there, we are just going to trim off some of the excess right here. And there you go. Well, we pretty much well got this outside rocker panel all welded in here. But before I take you over and show you where we're at, because we are going to be done for tonight, but let me show you guys the frame that this is going to be going on if you're new to the channel. So here's the chassis that it will be going on. Don't mind the dust and the dirt, But that is the chassis that it's going on, and let's take a look at what we got done for tonight. As you can see here, we put some straps in here and welded all this up, and you can see the holes. And now we're going to go back to where I showed you before about this gap that was in here. Now you can see a nice, pretty much even gap all the way down through here. And we just used the ratchet straps to suck this down a little bit. We attached it to the vice grips and we pulled it down. Well, we're pretty much well done for tonight. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, ring that notification bell and maybe we will get it on the next one. So, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabz!